Greetings. Woohoo!
Yeah. Metal Garage.
What do we got here?
Well, we got a Boulevard M90. This thing's 1500 cc's, fuel injected, V-twin, shaft drive. A lot of fun to ride. Big fat bike.
Yeah, that's a good one.
So I guess it's oil change day, so we're just gonna start her up.
Yeah, start it up.
This is the second oil change.
Warm it
so
up.
we got 4,800, not miles, kilometers on it.
Yeah. Right on.
Let's get her warm. Stella likes it too. Look.
Stella says, yeah. So we'll warm that up for a minute, and then we'll come back and get the oil changed. Hey!
Live at 5 once again.
We're back.
We're back. So that's the oil right there. I got this from Amazon.
Got the Kimpex.
$44 for 4 liters of oil.
And we got some Road Passion.
And that was $11 from Amazon.
That's what there is, right? Yeah. It's high. Here, you be the camera.
I'll be the camera guy.
You be the
Guest camera person on Metal Garage.
Woohoo!
I like the metal.
I gotta put on my death metal gloves. Keeps everything happy. Yeah, I'll get this.
Oh, it just blinked off.
It's okay, the screen goes off, but it's still, as long as that blue light's still flashing.
It's a red light flashing.
Let me see. No, this one. No, this that one on the side.
Okay.
As long as
we're still live at 5. Okay.
As long as that blue light's going, then we're okay. We're in the blue light district.
We're in the blue light district.
Wow, look at that. Look how clean that is. Look at that. Thing is like just mint. It's just minty.
That looks a little black in there.
Yeah. Then we'll get this guy off. If not, we got our...
And that's only 3,800 kilometers on that oil.
We got our handy dandy.
Oh, that's a cool oil filter wrench. You gotta show that to the camera when you're done.
That's a strap wrench. That works on anything.
The strap.
The strap, see, any old size, and then...
Beautiful.
Get that. Get that out of there. Yeah, we got just enough room. Look at that. I got a drain in the back. I got a drain in the front. Here we go. Yeah.
Oh, the oil change tub came from Dollarama. It was $2.
They're going to change the name later this year to $2-rama. That doesn't look too bad.
And there's the filter.
Got our new one. It pretty much looks like the same one, so that's always a good sign.
Yeah.
Take that, give it a little...
So you're just putting a little goo on the filter there?
Yeah, there we go. And then we'll even give it a little prenuptial agreement.
Nice little tree fill for the filter.
Yeah. Just dump a little bit in there, about like that.
You know what's funny? There's nothing on the screen here. I hope I have it framed correctly for the people at home. I hope I'm not just cutting off your head right now.
Oh, it's fine. That's the Acaso.
Okay.
Top of the line, right? Nothing but the best. Nothing but the best for Jeff Tech Metal Garage channel.
In goes the filter.
So that goes the filth tray. Long threads on that one. And she's still draining, so that's a good thing.
Should we sit it upright?
Huh?
Should I sit the bike upright?
I was gonna say...
Or did you want to get on it and I'll film you?
Now give me the camera.
Okay. Passing the camera.
And then there you go. You can see it. See it just draining from that little guy back there. And yeah, just tilt it a little bit level. Just go on the level.
We're on the level.
And no, it didn't make it drain more, so you can go back.
Okay, going back.
So that's the correct draining.
Well, you know what? We're
Angular.
on a little bit of a slope here.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
It's that's helping.
No, it's the correct because it's doing the thing.
It's sloping down here.
We it the new filter on there. You see that one? It's all nice and give it a snugga-dugga. Give it a little wipe off.
So is this the first street bike oil change on Metal Garage? I know you've done lots of dirt bikes.
Yeah.
Cars, SUVs, forklifts.
Yeah.
Pressure washers.
I haven't done the I haven't done the sport bike, the CBR 600 on here yet.
Oh, nice. Thanks.
Yeah, she's still draining. As long as it's draining, I'm just gonna let it finish. Write this all down. Make sure it's not leaking. Yeah, it's nice and tight. And it's almost to the end. I can see it. It's like
The end is near.
the end is near. Just take it one out of there. And that should just be about good enough. Yeah, this tray worked perfect. I mean, you couldn't get a more perfect tray for this application
Awesome.
because it covered the drain and the filth.
Only $2 from Dollarama.
Right?
And it's a drama.
No, well, that's not that dirty. Look at it. It looks still good. I'd use that in my lawnmower.
Okay. So I'm not going to pour this down the drain. We're going to bring it to the oil recycling place, right?
Yeah.
In the 70s, people just poured it down the drain. They didn't know any better.
So then I'm just
Got to get rid of the oil. Just pour it down the drain. It's gone. Wash it back with a little bit of water. It's fine, right?
yeah. I just throw like a half a cup of detergent so that it all balances out.
Yeah. The grease cutter.
I just wiped off the whole bottom of your frame.
Oh, thanks, Jeff.
And then there's just one more thing after we fill this thing up that we have to attend to. And that is these Boulevards have a shaft drive system. And that shaft drive likes to leak.
It's got a leaky shaft drive. A leaky shaft.
It's got a leaky shaft now. So we got some degrease now that moves your mouth. Oh, I mean some foamy engine cleaner.
Oh, nice. Mmm. Foamy.
Because it needs it. So we'll just let that foam up a little. Because it kind of needs it.
Holy.
So we'll let that do that while we're doing this.
And you just rinse that off afterwards?
Yeah. Just
Oh.
give it a rest. You can see it's already pulling up. You can see it's already pulling up all that.
Holy. That's going to be the cleanest part of the bike now.
That'll be the cleanest part of the bike. And then your drain hole is over on this side, I believe. This is Suzuki.
You know why that piece isn't chromed? And it's plastic, right? That should have been a metal piece or chrome or something.
What's that?
I have no idea. What is it?
I don't know.
Looks like a window of some sort.
I know, it looks like it's just rubber with a blue dot.
Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Look at the actual dipstick.
Well, it says we got oil, which I don't know. I think that must be
That's old residue.
that must be
Residue.
residual.
You know, people used to get arrested for residue a long time ago. It has residue on it.
Okay. And then you know what I need?
What's that?
Fun funnels.
Oh,
Wouldn't be the same without the
the
funnels.
funnels. The funnels of life.
Funnels of life. Should we do this one? Or should we do this one?
It's like a selection of golf clubs over there.
I know, right? Do we need the 9-iron? Or the 3-wood? What should we get?
Look at this thing. It's self-cleaning.
Yeah.
One thing I like about this bike, look how fat this tire is. It's like massive. 200.
Will that work? I think that'll work.
That's the right one. That's the one right there.
Does this one fit?
How many liters of oil does this thing take?
Oh,
That's even better.
That's even better. Let's just use the big one.
The big one.
Let's just use the Iva big one.
Okay.
What would Benny Hill do?
I don't know. There'd be like these girls running around the bike that he'd be chasing right now, right?
Does this thing take 4 quarts?
I have no idea.
It probably says something somewhere.
Do you want me to check on the internet?
Oh, it says. I'm glad I checked. Right here it says 3,000 milliliters.
Oh,
So
well.
that's 3. I'm glad I checked.
Okay, don't pour it all in then.
We'll just pour 3,000 milliliters.
And not 1 mil more, right?
No. That's about 1,500 milliliters. Yeah, I like this funnel. It's working. It's working, man. So what, we want to be like one...
Well, you know what I can do is I can get a measuring cup and we take 1 liter out and then pour the remainder of that thing in there.
Oh, you're getting fancy now.
What do you think?
If you really want to be that exact.
Yeah, sure, why not?
I was just going to use the
dipstick?
I was going to use the dip type stick.
Oh, okay, there's that. But we're on an angle. That's the only
No,
thing.
but I think it might supposed to be at an angle.
No, it's like on an angle this way.
That's what I mean. I think it's supposed to be at an angle.
That was supposed to be flat.
Yeah, so we'll just go 3,000.
Okay, 3,000 it is. Sold.
Oh. So should we fire it up and then check it, or should we check it and then fire it up, or how does that work?
I don't know.
It's like way over full right now. So I think maybe we should run it
Okay, let's give it a quick run, then check it.
and then level it, and then we'll give it a final checkers.
Okay, we still got blue light on this thing here.
Woo! Look how clean that is.
Oh.
That's nice. Right on. Yeah, let's just.
It's more level right there.
That's fine. I'll just have you. I'll just.
gonna fall, like you can see it along there.
Oh no, just fire it up. Let it get. I want to fill up the filter and everything.
Okay.
Because it's only like half away. Cool beans. Thing sounds nice. All right, let's shut her down and check it. Yeah, I'm just assuming because the oil came out on the slant and because the dipstick's over here that maybe it's just engineered to be checked at an angle. I don't know. I did not. Well, it still says way over full. Hold it level.
Okay, let's go level.
Yeah.
This
Although this does not, does this have a center stand? It does not have a center stand.
no center stand.
So then the question you got to ask yourself is how would you check this?
You'd have to phone in for a friend. I don't know.
You got to put it up on a brick or something maybe. I don't know. Try that. Let's see what we got. Yeah, okay, now that makes sense. It's to the half. It's to the half mark. See that?
Okay.
So that kind of makes sense, because that's about what I poured in there. Right on. Yeah, that's a liter.
Hey, where's your camera?
Holding it in the oil.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So yeah, when you got that,
yes.
when you got that to that,
For sure 3,000 mils in there.
then that's that. Yeah, okay, so now that's to the roughly. This
Exactly.
is to the roughly,
Precisely.
exactly, precisely. And then we got the prickly tool. And then we got, wow, it's still saying half. Let me screw it all the way in then. More difficult than Honda.
Suzuki.
A difficult Honda. It's still saying it's just a tad on the low. So we're gonna go a tad. Oop, we're a tad. Take that, Chad. We just poured a tad. And then let's test it again. Yeah, it's right up to the full flim flam.
Full meal deal.
The full meal deal. Yeah, wipe that off. I gotta get my fingerprints off of this thing, Ramos, so that nobody knows I was here.
No DNA.
No DNA will be left behind.
Okay, so you the startup?
Yeah, you have a full Suzuki. Cool. Alright. And that's how to change the oil on a Boulevard.
Yeah.
Peace. So yeah, this engine foamy stuff really did a good job on here. I didn't wipe it or nothing. I just shot it on and let it melt off. But look at that. I mean, it's down to the factory paint that they put on it.